Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a really quick and easy appetizer that would take less than 20 minutes to assemble and cook. We're making brown sugar bacon wrapped cocktail smokies. All you need is bacon, brown sugar, and cocktail smokies. To get started, we cut the bacon strips in half because they need to be shorter. And here are the cocktail smokies I will be using. Add 2/3 a cup of brown sugar into a bowl and dip each bacon strip into the brown sugar. You could add seasonings to the brown sugar if you like. I just think the cocktail smokies already have a lot of flavor on their own, so it's not necessary. Place a sausage on top of the bacon and roll, then secure it with a toothpick. Continue until all the sausages are used. Bake in an air fryer at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, be sure to check if they are done or need more time because they can burn fast from the sugar. And that's it! These things taste so good and require little to no effort at all. They are always a hit at parties, and if you're short on ideas or time, this would be a great pick. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!